Hey there, we're here at Jackson Cove Park in Oxford, Connecticut. We're on the Pomperaug Trail. We're going to do the Pomperaug Trail over into Kettletown and then back. Okay, the plan for today is to go out to Kettletown on the Pomperaug Trail, and we're going to take the Crest Trail back. It's going to be about 4.5, maybe 5 miles. This is a charcoal hearth site. This is something that was done during the early 20th centuries for fuel, during the late 18th to early 20th centuries. After you turn away from the shore, you're going to start a climb up the hills over here. It gets pretty hilly. Coming up on a little turn before heading up again, but definitely get your heart pumping here. Okay, we're coming up on the junction with the Crest Trail. We're going to take the Pomperaug Trail out and the Crest Trail back, but this is kind of a lollipop loop from Jackson Cove. You got some better views of the Housatonic on the Crest Trail, so we'll do that on the way back. So once you reach the top here, you got a whole bunch of mountain laurel. Come back around the first week in June. That's when the mountain laurel will be blooming. Of course, the mountain laurel is the state flower. Little vernal pool down there. We just got to the connector to the campground trails. This is Kettletown right now, and we are going to be going right up the hill, right through that big tree that came down. A few years ago, when the tornadoes came through Kettletown and this particular trail was closed, this is one of the trees that was lifted and cut through, so you can finally open up the trails. We're just about at our turnaround spot on the Pomperaug Trail. We are in Kettletown. There are two places to park on this trail. You can come over here and you can park in Kettletown itself if you're a Connecticut resident with Connecticut state license plates. The parking there is for free. Or you can park at Jackson Cove Park, and over there it is also free if you go inside and you park way over on the left side. This is another section that was devastated by the tornadoes as they came through. You can see all the trees that came down and what they had to do to clear it. Okay, we are coming up on the junction to the camp trail. So there's camping here at Kettletown, and we saw the other half of the camp trail over on the Kettletown. We're on the Pomperaug Trail. We're on the Crest Trail now. Well, the Crest Trail has a lot of ups and downs. Not quite as much as the Pomperaug Trail, but it definitely gets your heart going. Here's some mountain laurel again. We're still on the Crest Trail, almost at the end of the Crest Trail. And then we'll take the Pomperaug Trail back to Jackson Cove Park. Okay, we are just about back now from the hike. It was the Pomperaug Trail to the Crest Trail. If you like these videos, don't forget to hit like or subscribe or leave a comment, and we will see you next time.